Hello, this is Stewie Moe from Hema, Montana. I was on HavreFordVillage.com, and today is Tuesday, October 12th, 2019. And this is to see my 2010 Havre Ford Explorer. So I cannot see it, which is happening as opposed to it. And this looks stupid. I can have to just get this clean this Havre Ford logo. So actually, I see it. I our tray. And I used corrupted Michelin tires on Ford. And again, it's working out for this, right? And this repairs that leaves change colors. And usually some ideas are safe for Hollywood ads. And if you could not get into Havre Ford Explorer, and that's available from driver's license and using this on your central drive. Here's one of Hollywood. But number one, you use this one. It has to be slightly skewed. So but you have to tell that this commands. I got this fall plaque on here, on top of the wall. Look at this R. It's sticking out information. Oh, stupid thing. But you always just have to see it, and it has to post to it. Number is it's for stool, and we'll get some. And you got this pony information. What you see here is that I using got the window shield on the base drives. Yet, you can always just have to see it, and you can just measure the hard drive. So maybe just have to see it that way. So you always just have to see it. Me. Taking a look into this, have to do it. So this thing gonna have to open. This thing right here, to see it. I just have to honk the horn. It's not just have to make it make so loud, such as it used to be expanding across the traffic jams. So this thing always just have to see. It used to be like a road runner from Looney Tunes. So that is next. Usually got the driving lights on here. Make it protective. This screen thing, how to see it. So this one have to see that way. Let's take a look at your note. We got our person with autism on board. In any emergency situation, please beware that they may run away, resist help, be nonverbal, be aggressive, or have no awareness of danger. Log on to my website at autismawareness.america.com. Well, that's next. You have to see it, which is taking us have to see, which is have to peek. Oh, hoping not. It won't open. And you always just have to see it that way. You got the mud flap. And this. Great. There you go. So let's now go back to the sample with your personal address. So for example, I got the screen right here. So this is my box, and here I have to get this feature. Now Andrew wants to throw your branches in the garbage, but not to have to see that way. Which I can always say is I have to see it, but I have to move this place. So that is next. You have to see it, which is taking this. Doesn't have to do it like that. Maybe just have to do it such as A, B, C, D, E, and F. But usually extending this driving in particular and this and always says to do it. Such as it always says there's like a serial drive, but I have to see it. But always says to see it. And you sing to see it. But anytime you like it. When it's fine, I have to see it. Are you sure? Or did I have to see it? And he's almost like a drunk. So we have to see that way. Have to see it. But there's probably got to have to see. I think I don't know what better thing is. Okay. So I think that's enough for this video, and hope you see you guys soon for this video. I'll talk to you guys later. I have to say, see you on Havre Ford from 2010. So this is Dewey Maui sign off on Tuesday, October 12, 2019. Goodbye.